Hello, folks. Thank you again for your time and attention. Today, I want to talk about something that is really important, and that is really exercising your four areas of human nature, and that is mental, physical, emotional, and spiritual. For those that understand Maslow's hierarchy of needs, this is one of the areas in which people have been fooled into not exercising the most important areas, which are emotional and spiritual. So, taking time in particular to exercise in each of these areas each day: mental, physical, emotional, and spiritual, you will find a great deal of uh, peace and well being. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.